Hi, my name is Kyle, and I'm a software application specialist here at RedBeam. Thank you for joining me for another episode of our RedBeam Asset Tracking Knowledge Base video series. In this video, we'll be covering inventory reports. This video will cover open inventory reports and closed inventory reports, but for more detailed information, you can check out the link on our screen. To view inventory reports in RedBeam, we'll click on the Reports tab and click on Inventory. You'll see that you have both an open and a closed option. The open option will provide you with a list of automatically generated reports in the system. To view a specific report, you'll click on the category you're interested in and the inventory you'd like to view. The All Assets Inventory report, for example, provides you with a list of all the found and unfound assets within the inventory and a set of filtering criteria that can be saved as a shared filter or a personal filter, and then the report can be exported into the following file types. Some of the most helpful reports within our inventory section are the Unfound report, the New Status report, and the New Room report. I'll start with the Unfound report. The Unfound report provides you with a list of all the assets that were not accounted for in a given inventory. This is really helpful because the users can then identify which assets need to be found and contact the appropriate parties. The New Room inventory report provides users with a list of assets that have changed location since their last inventory. For example, in our Atlanta office, we can see that the location of asset 1001 had been updated from the front office to the IT storage room during the most recent inventory. The New Status report is also very helpful because it provides users with a list of assets that have changed status, which provides you with information about the asset throughout its life cycle. As you can see here, asset 1032 changed from needing attention to floor ready, so we know that it's now usable. Next, we'll look at our closed inventory reports. As you can see here, closed inventory reports are located underneath open. To begin viewing a closed inventory report, you'll first select the previous inventory that you're interested in viewing, and all of the data will appear to the right-hand side of the screen, including the inventory state. Closed inventory data cannot be changed, but is useful for an audit history of your previous inventories. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or would like more information, feel free to contact us using any of the methods seen on screen. See you next time.